numbers, we got the numbers, we got numbers now. We're unstoppable, unstoppable.
Di man araw-araw na nakangiti at ilang beses na rin tayong umihindi.
Sobrang happy. Wala mo nang iiyak. Bawal pa umiyak.
Naiiyak na ako.
Huwag kang iiyak. Tigilan mo. Masisira ang makeup. Ganda pa naman.
Malayan, eto tayo. Ngunit sa huli, palagi pabalik pa rin.
Salamat dahil kapag nadadapa ako, ikaw ang unang palaging nagtatayo sa akin. Salamat at ikaw ang aking palagi. Mahal na mahal kita palagi, Greg Anthony Perez.
Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong
Nagpapasalamat ako ng sobra. Hindi matatawaran ng words yung pasasalamat ko para sa inyo. Wala ako ngayon sa kinatatayuan ko kung hindi dahil sa inyo. So, sobrang salamat talaga. I love you both.
Kung balikan man ang hirap luhat.
I vow to be your partner in parenthood, in love, and in life. Patient, present, and proud of what we've created.
Pag napaligiran ng ingay at
Today, in front of those we love, I marry you, not because we need to, but because I want to. Because you are still and always will be my forever.
eto tayo sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo.
Ito na yung pinaka-moment mo. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw na ito. Patuloy lang ang inyong pamumuhay at saka sana huwag kang magbago kay Greg. Ipagpatuloy mo yung magandang pag-aalaga mo sa kanya.
Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto,
I vow to keep choosing you every day as I have all these years. I promise to love you, not just in moments of ease, but especially through the chaos. Suset, kailan may hindi kita pagtataksilan. Isuot mo at pakakaingatan ang singsing na ito na siyang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
pipiliin kong maging sa'yo at ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman iyo ako palagi.
Me, 17 years ago, we began a story that few could write. Full of chapters marked by laughter, challenges, growth, and the incredible joy of raising our 4 beautiful children. Today, I stand before you not to start something new, but to honor and celebrate the life we've already built. The partnership we've lived, the love we've proven, and the future we still dream of.
It's been a while since we felt the way we did back when we were dumb and young makes our starlight bold, bright colors, yeah. When I'm down, when I'm dry, no one else. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over again, again. And after all we've been through, there's no one else for me but you. I would choose you over and over again, again, again. You are the real thing, the novel before the film, all the nuance, every letter. And you do things to me like they have never been done. A love like ours could last forever and ever. When I'm down, when I'm dry, no one else, no one. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over again, again. And after all we've been through, there's no one else for me but you. I would choose you over and over again, again. When I'm down,
I promise to laugh with you, cry with you, grow with you, and walk with you, even when the path gets hard. You are my home, my best friend, and the one my soul trusts completely.
From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this, there is nothing I wouldn't give. From this moment, I will love you as long as I live.
17 years ago, when I first saw you and called you Kuya, una hindi talaga kita trip. Medyo maangas ang dating. Pero after a day, nakita ko, uy, kamukha niya. Yung showbiz crush ko.
Every ray of sunshine is smiling down on me, and every bend in the road is a paradise to see.
Iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina at magsasama sila ng kanyang asawa at sila'y magiging isa. Kaya't hindi na sila dalawa, kundi isa, sapagkat ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao.
It's been